Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to simplify rational expressions. This is a fundamental skill in algebra that's all about reducing algebraic fractions to their simplest or lowest terms. So, what exactly is a rational expression? It's simply a fraction that contains polynomials. Just as 8/12 is a fraction with numbers, an expression like x plus 2 over x squared minus 4 is a rational expression with variables. Our main goal is to simplify. The same way we can simplify 6/9, we can simplify rational expressions. The key is to find any factors that are common to both the numerator and the denominator, and then cancel them out. The first and most crucial part of the process is to factor everything completely. You need to factor the polynomial in the numerator and factor the polynomial in the denominator. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 becomes the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Once everything is factored, you look for any factors that are identical on the top and bottom. In our example, we have the factor x plus 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. We can cancel these out because any number divided by itself is 1. Let's walk through an example. We have 3x plus 6 over x squared plus 2x first. We factor the numerator by pulling out a common 3, leaving 3 times the quantity x plus 2. Then, we factor the denominator by pulling out a common x, leaving x times the quantity x plus 2. The common factor of x plus 2 cancels out, and we are left with our final answer, 3 over x. Here's a slightly more complex case, x squared minus x minus 12 over x squared minus 16. First, we factor the trinomial in the numerator into the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 3. The denominator is a difference of squares, which factors into the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 4. We see the common factor is x minus 4, so we cancel it. Our simplified expression is x plus 3 over x plus 4. A critical rule in algebra is that you can never divide by 0. This means the denominator of a fraction can never be 0. Before you cancel anything, you must look at the factored denominator of the original expression to find the excluded values. For the expression with the denominator x minus 4 times x plus 4, the excluded values are positive 4 and negative 4, because either of those values would make the denominator 0. A very common mistake is to cancel terms instead of factors. You cannot cancel the x squared from x squared plus 4 over x squared minus 4. Addition and subtraction glue terms together. You must factor the expressions first before you can cancel anything. Only common factors that are being multiplied can be canceled. To wrap it all up, here is the 4-step process. 1. Factor the numerator. 2. Factor the denominator. 3. Identify and cancel the common factors. And 4. Write down what's left. And always remember to note the excluded values from the original denominator. With these steps, you'll be able to simplify any rational expression.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.